let's continue with the second session of solving the multiple choice questions on arithmetic progression, right? So let's begin with the 12th question here. The question 12th is, if an is equal to n square plus 3, then find the value of a3 is the question. What do you mean by this? In this expression, we are going to put n is equal to 3, that's it. So that will become 3 square plus 3, that will be 12. Therefore, what will be my answer in this case? My answer in this case is option C. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Let's go for 13th one. The arithmetic mean of 2 and 8 is, right? The arithmetic mean of of 2 and 8 is, right? So if you want to consider 2 and 8 are in arithmetic progression such that there exists one number in between, that is the meaning of that. So I have already told you shortcut for this. The arithmetic mean is always equal to the sum of given two numbers divided by 2. So that will become 10 divided by 2 must be equal to 5. Therefore, what is my answer in this case? In this case, my answer is option A. The arithmetic progression of 2 and 8 is, or arithmetic mean of 2 and 8 is 5. That is option A is the right answer. Right. Let's go for next one. If A comma B and C are in parallel range, I repeat, if A, B, C are in parallel range, when I say parallel range, the distance between these two terms remains the same. Hence, when I say parallel range, I can write, see that A, B, C are in AP, correct? When we say that they are in the parallel range, I can keep them in the the distance where A to B and B to C is same, right? In other words, it defines about AP. So what I mean to say here, B minus A must be equal to C minus B, which we consider it as common difference, right? Correct? Huh? Now the question is B minus A divided by C minus B is equal to how much? So I will write B minus A as it is. What is C minus B? Is it also B minus A? Yes. Therefore, these two terms get cancels. Therefore, what should be your answer? 1. 1 anta helidre, what should be your choice? Option C is the right answer. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3D, ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2D, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3D ಆರ್ ಇನ್ AP. These terms are in AP. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is A in this case ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In this sequence or in this progression, what is the value of A? What do you mean by A ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We know that this is actually defines the general form of arithmetic progression where A we consider it as first term. We consider A as first term and we consider D as common difference. Correct? Right? Therefore, if you observe the questionnaire of this 15th one, they have questioned that where A is, so I will consider A as the first term. So that is option C. Similarly, there is a next question. In this series, D is called common difference. That is option A is the right answer. Correct? Right? Let's go for next questionnaire. Question number 17. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3, 1, -1, -3 are in AP. Then which is the next term anta kelidare, which is next term anta kelidare, right? When the four terms are in AP, right? So it is easy to understand. First term enadari 3 ada, that is A, right? Or you can say A1. Second term enadari 1, A3 is -1, A4 is -3. The question is to find A5. A5 na kelidare. Done. So to find A5, ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ A2 ಮೈನಸ್ A1. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ A2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ ರೀ? 1. A1 is 3. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 3? -2, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ. ಡನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A5 is equal to? A5 is equal to, in terms of A and D ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, is it A plus 4D? Right? A plus 4D. A ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, that is 3 plus 4 into D ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ ರೀ? -2. So that will become 3 minus 8 should be equal to -5. Should be equal to -5. Therefore, what is my answer in this case? Option C. Option C is -5. So I'll go with option C. Right? So what we have done? First we understood what is the value of A or A1. Then we understood what is the value of D, that is common difference. Then we substituted everything in A5, that is A plus 4D. A means 3, D means -2. Hence my answer is -5. Done? Right? I hope you understood this. Let's go for the next one. 18th question. Question number 18. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. What is next term anta kelidare? What is the next term of this arithmetic progression? Or helibidare, which is the next term of the arithmetic progression anta helidare, right? So let us understand once again. What is the value of A or A1? Root 2 or 2 to the power 1/2 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Then what is A2? A2 is 8 to the power 1/2 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. What is A3? 18 to the power 1/2 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. What is A4? 32 to the power 1/2 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. Right? Now if you observe carefully, we can also write this expression in the form of square root with standard forms. Root 2 to the power 1/2 is nothing but root 2, right? But 8 to the power 1/2 ಅಂದರೆ root 8 ಅನ್ನು can we write it as 4 into 2? So that will become 2 root 2. Similarly, root 18, can we write it as 9 into 2? Which can be written as 3 root 2. 32 to the power 1/2 or root 32, can you write it as 16 into 2? So that will become 4 root 2. Nodi, to find next term A5, I think I don't have any much difficulties. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 into root 2 ಅದ, 2 into root 2 ಅದ, 3 into root 2 ಅದ, 4 into root 2 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 5 into root 2 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Done. Therefore, what is 5 into root 2? So can we take it as 25? When you take 5 within the square root, it will become 25 into 2. So is it equal to root 50? Root 50. So I'll go with option C. I'll go with option C. Root 50 is the right answer. Done? Right? So we'll take some more questions in the next session. Thank you.